Have you lost something? Lost time, lost joy, lost peace, lost opportunities? God says in Joel 2:25, I will restore to you the years the locust has eaten. Father, you are the God of restoration. Restore my health, restore my joy, restore my peace, restore my family, restore every blessing delayed, Lord. If you did it before, do it again. Let this be my season of restoration. Come before you with these broken pieces, the years I cannot get back, the tears nobody saw, the prayers I whispered in the dark. You know the pain I carried, you know the dreams that faded, but you are still the God who restores. And nothing is too far gone for you. What I lost, you can restore. What was broken, you can make whole. What was delayed, you can release. Jesus, restore me, Lord. Hey, restore me, Lord. Everything the enemy stole, restore me, Lord. Restore my joy. Hey, restore my peace. Restore the years I thought were gone. Restore me, Lord. If my body is weary, restore my strength. If my heart is heavy, restore my peace. If my hope is fading, breathe again. You started, you will finish. My restoration is in your hands. Restore me, Lord. Hey, restore me, Lord. Everything the enemy stole, restore me, Lord. Restore my health, restore my health. Restore my family, restore my family. Restore the dream buried in tears. Restore me, Lord. You are my restorer. You are my healer. You are my promise keeper. Jesus, Jesus, you are my restorer. You are my healer. You are my promise keeper, Jesus. Do it again. Do it again. What you did before, do it again. Restore my morning, restore my laughter, restore my purpose, restore my future. Do it again. I still believe. receive healing, I receive peace, I receive joy. The lost years are not wasted. My story is not over. The God of Joel 2:25 is restoring me. Restore me, Lord. Restore me, Lord. Oh. Some days I wait with questions in my heart, wondering where this heavy night will part. Some wounds are deeper than words can explain, but even here I will still call your name. When my body feels weak and my soul feels tired, when the fire gets low and hope feels quiet, I may not understand what you are doing, but Father, I know you are still moving. I've come too far to doubt you now. You've carried me before. You held me through my darkest nights, so I will trust you more. I still trust you. I still trust you. Even in the waiting, Lord, I trust you. Heal me, Jesus. Restore me, Father. Keep me in your perfect peace. Oh, I still trust you. I still trust you. With every breath, Lord, I trust you. You know the tears I cry when no one sees, the silent prayers whispered on my knees. You are the healer, you are the restorer, the one who holds me closer and closer. If the storm has not passed yet, I will still worship through every breath, because my hope was never in the outcome. My hope is in the faithful, Holy One. I still trust you. I still still trust you with my health, with my family, with my future. Heal me, Jesus. Restore my soul. Keep me safely in your hands. I still trust you. I still trust you. Lord, you see the places I don't speak about, the silent battles, the hidden pain, the tears I wipe before the world can notice, the nights I prayed and called your name. Some wounds don't show the outside, some storms are deep within. But Father, if your mercy finds me here, I know I can breathe again. Of me. Hey! If my faith feels weak, strengthen me. If my heart feels tired, carry me. If I've waited long, remind me. Your promises still speak for me. You are near to the broken hearted. You restore the same. I will not leave the same. Your touch changes everything. Your love changes everything. Take this pain, take this fear. Meet me here, oh, meet me here. Some wounds don't bleed where people can see. Some battles are fought quietly, smiling in the daylight, breaking in the dark, carrying pain deep inside my heart. Lord, you see what no one notices. The tears I hide, the silent emptiness. When my strength is gone and my faith feels small, be the one who holds me through it all. Your word says you will heal my wounds. Your word says you restore my soul. Restore my soul, Lord. Heal what's broken in me. Touch every hidden place. Bring your peace over me. Restore my soul, Lord. Heal every wounded part. Take this heavy burden and breathe life into my heart. If my body is weary, renew my strength. If my mind is tired, speak peace again. Oh, if my hope is fading, don't let me go. Lead me beside still waters for my soul. Oh, I've carried questions, I've carried scars, I've waited healing for far too long. But even here, I still believe your healing hands are reaching me. You restore health, you heal my wounds. You restore the broken soul in me. Restore my soul, Lord. Heal what's broken in me. Touch every hidden place. Bring your peace over me. Restore my soul, Lord. Heal every wounded part. Take this heavy burden and breathe life into my heart. Restore me, Jesus. Hey, restore me. Mend every broken place. Mend every broken place. Every wounded place. Restore me. Restore me. Oh, if you can heal the wounded, then heal me now. If you restore the broken, restore me now. If you still bring peace to troubled hearts, then speak to mine right now. Restore my health. Restore my health. Restore my joy. Restore my soul. Restore my soul. Restore my soul. Oh, you restore my soul. You restore my soul. Oh, lead me beside still waters. Heal every hidden wound. Jesus, restore me.